Just hold it. We're going manual mode. Blue leader, I'm going in. Is that like, where's that looking? It's good? Alright. I'm gonna drag Patty with me. That's a wet bag. Ouch, ouch. Coming? No, I'm not going. Not going? Nah. Come on.
Too cold.
Come on, it's not that bad.
I'm a weenie, it's too cold.
Alright, let's go. I got 4K video right
I know. 4K video.
4K video.
Go get him.
I'll get him again.
You the brave one. You the brave one.
I'm the cold one. Ow. Wave. 4K video. We're good. Nah. These rocks hurt though. These rocks hurt. Huh? With what? I almost lost my wedding ring from the force of the water. It blew it right off. Like quarter leg the end. Pull her in, pull her in. Pull her in. Better? It's not actually that bad. No. And then what? Oh. This is so slippery.
It's very slippery.
Yeah. Man, it's like ice. Oh, we got I got 4K video going on here. You guys are like high definition. Hang loose definition.
Did you see the little boat there? Look.
Oh yeah, shoot.
Look at the little boat.
Hang loose.
Where's Fran's hang loose? Fran, no, your drink hang loose. Did you finish it? You're lush.
Alright. It was all water, man.